Welcome back to this amazing channel. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending from where you'll be watching this video from. My name is Irene, and in case you're coming across to this channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and also sharing this amazing video, guys. So today it's actually on Friday and it's around 11, and I'm coming live and clear from home. Yes, this is home. Yes, and today we are actually me and Malaki alone at home, and my mama has gone to the funeral on the other side. Yeah, that is where she was born. She has gone to visit also her brothers and sisters, and so I am here at home. Malaki has been with this car on the other side. He just arrived at home. So being alone today at home, I want to do some cleaning, guys. Cleaning, and then yes, and then we see what happens. I want to clean our house, and then later on, okay, I have a number of activities that I'm going to do here. So first being the first thing I'm going to do is to clean the house, and then I'm going to, there's something I want to do here before it rains, and I just want to take you along with me, or I just want to show you around some of the activities that I'm going to do. This is typical village life, guys. Yes, so please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also share. And after watching the video to the end, please leave a sweet and amazing comment on what you think about this video, guys. So thank you so much and enjoy, guys. Right here, this is our cow. I told you guys it was sick some few weeks ago. Then we bought some medicines for our cow. It looks like it's okay. Yes, but yeah, this is, for those ones who don't know, this is a gift for my mom. A friend of mine bought this one for my mom, and thank you so much, my friend. Yes, and you have the timbers here. Yeah, so without wasting time, because the rain is coming, guys, let us just go to the house. Yes, I show you what I'm trying to do. Today, my sister went to school. My sister went to school like 2 days ago. So no one to hold the camera for me. My brother is somewhere there. So I am alone here. So I want to do the cleaning. I've already started, guys. Every day I clean this house. I need to wipe the chairs every day. Yeah, to make the work easy. And here we don't have like those, you see the machine that wipes the chairs? No, we get like a cloth like this, and then we wipe. Yeah, with water, a little bit of water, and then I have this is panga soap, the soap. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. Then later on, I'm going to clean the house. Then later on, I will cook lunch. Then later on, I have a number of activities that needs to be done since my mom is not around. So I need to, I need to make the home look like a home. Yeah, I'm alone. My brother, like we divided the activities. I told him to take care of the goats and the cow. Me, I need to do some cleaning. Yes, and Eric is not here. Eric is not here. He went somewhere, so he will be coming in the evening. So thank you so much, guys, and enjoy the video. I want to show you how we wipe the chairs using the cloth. We don't have the machines, guys. Hey, my camera might even go down. I told you I don't have someone to hold a camera for me. I am way alone today. My sister. Yo, man, I miss my sister. So this is what I do. You see, this is the panga soap, and this is the, is it called the manila, something like that. Yeah, I put a little water. Not that much, because I want to remove the dust. Then I do like this. That is how we do. My camera is going down. I don't know if you can see me well. So guys, I am done. Hey, my hair. Ooh. I'm done wiping the chairs. So I want to start cleaning from my mom's room as I give them time. To dry. You see, it is even dirty. That tells you it was dirty also. The chairs were dirty. Yes. So, this is what I'm going to use. The duster. I've been showing you guys this every single day. But today, sorry guys. I've done cleaning the house. I was doing some work here, but look. See. Look. I was doing some work here. Look down here. Now, the rain is too much. It's even rained on me. So I wanted to remove all these dirty things from here. Yes. All around. We removed some few days ago, but now the rain is too much. Can you see the way this place looks like? So I wanted to uproot all of this. Now the rain is raining. And I don't know where it's Malachi, so I've been running. Like I want to bring the goats from very far and the cow. It's raining, guys. So this is what I wanted to remove all of it, because today is on Saturday actually. Tomorrow it's on Sunday. I want to go to church on Sunday. I've realized that these timbers are being rained on, and that is not a good sign. Yeah. Yes, like this one. So I need to find a way. Okay, maybe we can bring those old iron sheets, fix them here. The one that we demolished the cow shed. And something is happening here. Yes. We need to do the repair right here. Yes, but here these timbers are very safe. Very safe. On the other side, people were stealing them. Every single day you come, you find like five have gone. So on that side it was bad, but here a little bit safe. The only thing I need to do, you see the iron sheets that we demolished the cow shed. I'm going to bring them here and arrange them here. Meanwhile, as I wait to get money to make a nice cow shed. At the moment our cow sleeps somewhere on the other side. So yeah, it's a nice day. Okay, beautiful season. Is it beautiful season? But you know, guys, here we are blessed. In some places, let me wipe the camera. Some places people don't even have rain. So we are so blessed. Yeah, so blessed. God has really loved us in a very big way. Yeah, so let me just enter here. This is the kitchen. Our area got spoiled. I guess it's because of the rain. It's not working. Yeah. And these are the tomatoes. The ones that I bought for mom the other day. And this is chips, the cooking oil. This is what we use here. Being the cheapest one. And I bought, let me arrange them here. They were here and I cleaned. That is the salt, cooking oil. And this is the cooking flour. Yes, and the for the porridge. Yeah, and the sugar. Yes, see. That is my mama. Yes. So, and these are the corns that I bought. One tin goes for 120, 130. Yeah, I bought 17. So, yes, and this is the bar soap. I actually bought it yesterday. Yes. So, ouch, that's how everything goes. One day when everything gonna be okay, I'm gonna fix the brother wants me to call. I'm gonna fix the, how do we call this? Is it the cabinets for yeah, and these ones, these things here, some of them they have paint. So, and right inside here we have the pieces of tiles. We have some pieces right there, and yeah, so the only thing which is remaining here in the kitchen, and I realized this one has a problem. Did I even tell you? Look guys. So I need to just going all around. Yeah, I actually saw it like last week, but now, yes. So as time goes by, I will need to buy to make the. Yes, sorry guys. I was saying like I also need to buy a bed. For me and my sister, we don't have a bed, but we have a very nice mattress. Right now, I put it down here, and I sleep. Yeah, so that is it. You don't like it. There's no electricity, but I don't know. But it was there. You know how electricity had a problem, but it got fixed. So maybe, probably because it started raining. That is when. And I will buy a very nice TV stand right here. Very nice table. Very nice table. Someday, not now. Right now I'm focusing on so many things, guys. Yeah. Yes. So that is our TV for the new friends. This is how our area looks like. God has really blessed us. These chairs, a friend of mine bought them for my mom. The first time. Sorry guys, my camera is 30%. So I told you like this here. I want to buy my own land. Yes, now that my mom is, you know, what was giving me problems is this house. I planned to build this house so many years. It did not happen till you came in for me, and we finished this house. This year, this is 2025. We are even almost coming to an end. Sorry, because it's already on May, and the year is almost coming to an end. I really want to own my land this year. Yes, I want one more land. By God's grace, I'm really praying so. So there is something big which is coming up, because you know God is good. God is faithful. When you pray, God answers, and also everything is possible. You know. I know someday, for those people who has been really supporting me, one day we will meet. If rapture tarries, we will meet someday. Yes. And I'm really hoping that I wish that my father was alive today. Yeah. Feels so bad to lose a parent at a very early age. But now, what can we do? What can we do? Life is very hard for the orphans and for the widows. That one, I can tell you for free, because I have testified. I see testifying, or I've experienced. Sometimes the society is very hard on the orphans and the widows, very hard. Sometimes they are forgotten, you know. Yeah, but I am grateful that my mom has been there for us ever since day one. So that is the reasons why I really love and respect my mom. Eh? That woman, my mom. God bless her. That is why, because some people were asking me, why are you building your mother's house and you don't even own a land? Imagine someone asking you that. Someone even texting you, why are you building a house for your mother and you don't even own a land? And I'm like, that is my decision. I made a promise, and I told God, when you blesses me with money, please give me wisdom on how to use this money. The first thing I want to do is to change my mom's situation. Right now, if I decide to maybe to do my own things, at least my mom is okay. Provided my mom has a place to sleep, she has food to eat. The rest is rest. Eh? You see, it's not even the correct English. The rest is rest. Yeah, provided my mama is okay, I don't have stress. Yeah. So, because being like poverty can make you, the whole village will hate you because of poverty. Yes. Did you hear that? Yes. Poverty is a very bad disease. I cannot even pray for. Let me even not even say that. But that is it. Let me just wait for the rain to, maybe when it is done, I'm going to look even how it looks like today. Yay! I'm telling you. Yeah. Look, we are so blessed. God has really blessed us. Like, one day when I get a drone, I will go stand up there where there is a smoke on the other side. Then I show you the whole village. One day when I get a drone. So guys, I am at the garden. Don't worry, it has been raining. Raining. I want to do something here. Right here. So today my brother will be filming me. John, over there. That is Marek behind the camera. And that is me. Today is today. Some vegetables right here. The other time I was doing that part, it was very hard. Now it has rained. Let's try and see what we can do here. Oh, and I'm that.
Chukua hii. Na hiyo kijiko.
So guys, this is what we normally do here in the village. We get the vegetable very fresh from the garden. We planted some vegetables right here, but it rained. This is called the hailstones, and it spoiled everything. So right here, I decided today yes. Hey, hey. Village life. Oh, I'm teaching my brother how to hold the camera.
So
So guys, let me see what I can do today. Maybe I will show you what I have done by the end of this video. So keep subscribing, keep liking, keep sharing. We need to, all of this place, whew, we want to plant the vegetables, that is the kales and some other traditional vegetables. So
Carrots.
oh, carrots. Okay, my friend. Another friend is saying, not vegetables. We plant carrots. Okay, we will see. We will see how it goes. Right. I have done some work. I've even planted some vegetables. You see? The kales. I'm sorry, I had no anyone to hold my camera. My brother went to look after the cow and the goods. So, this is what I have done. I've actually done from this part to that side. It's actually 5. I want to go and I try to look for the vegetables, try to prepare supper up to this side. Then I've removed some of the seedlings from here. Yeah, you see, like this. I've planted them right, like inside here. Like this one, here, at the middle of this small garden. Yeah, right here. My mama is not yet back, and ouch. Hello. Really sweating. So I want to go home and then try to get something for supper. Yeah, but this is how I looks like. Very clean. Super clean. Hello. Yes, this is what we do when we are in the village. So you know, it's very bad when you are in the village and then you buy vegetables at a very high price, and then maybe you have a garden, a small garden like this, you can even transform it. We had vegetables here, but they died when the rain came a lot. Because when there's a lot of rain, the vegetables does not perform well. So this is what we have done. This part, I will do it on Monday. So guys, it's late. I need to find how to cook supper. I don't know, my mom will come at what time. So let's go home. This is Irene. Hello. 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 Yes. Hey, I'm sweating. I'm telling you. Our car was here, but when it started raining, we put it somewhere. Then my brother's gone with it to. Yeah, so there's a lot of work which needs to be done here. Oh, I'm telling you. We uprooted these things very recently. But now, I guess it's because of the rain, they're coming up very, very fast. Super fast. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. So, this is home. We have added some flowers here because some of them they died. Some grew, so I think you can see some new flowers we added. Some died. Yes. And this is home. This is home. And Irene, I don't know, there's someone who is making noise. Irene is right here. Our Herio got spoiled. This one, I don't even know where Eric borrowed this from. Then even this one is not working. So our TV is not working. The stations, yeah. So, okay, let me go down there. Then I finish the video from there. So this is what our car was hitting. Hey, my brother, Malaki. Yeah. Yes. So, but my brother is not even serious. He just stepped on the what is it called? The dust. So I was even trying to remove this to uproot some of the things here, but it rained. So let me just put my camera down here. I want to do what? My camera is not even going to be stable here. Let me look for a small stone. I fix it like This is big. I'm tired. Yes, now I'm going to just went down. So I'm going to clean the boots now. But okay, let me bring something. I don't know if you can see me well. I want to clean the boots. So I'm right here. See the way it looks like? Very dirty. one very cold for my brother. Don't worry guys, it has been raining. There's a lot of water in our tank. It's even full. I am here. Guys, today has been today. That is me. Yes, so the house is clean. I've done some I've gone to the garden today. Look at my hands. Yes, and then my brother just decided to go with the shoes inside. Look at the dust. You'll come and I will tell him to mop that place. I don't want jokes. So guys, I just want to first of all, before I end this video, I'm really hoping that you guys have enjoyed this video from the start up to the end, and I just want to say a very big thank you. Yeah, this is home. I'm at home today because my mom is somewhere. She went for a funeral somewhere, and I have a problem. My left leg is really giving me some stress. I don't know what's happening. It's really paining too much. Like, I don't know what happened. I did not even fall down. Like, I don't know. I just woke up in the morning and it was really painful. Till now, it is still painful. So I don't know. But can you see that pulp there? You have some parts over there, the nest right there. They made their home right there. So this is home, and I've not managed to do what I wanted to do, like all the work that I wanted to do today. Reasons being, it rained and I'm so tired, guys. And the time is over. It's actually 5 something. It's getting late. I just want to end this video from right here home by saying thank you so much for watching this video to the end. And please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share, and after sharing this video to the end, please subscribe to the channel and also leave a sweet comment down below on what you think about this video. So thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.